Welcome back, students. So in this video we will discuss about image and its difference between shadow. What's the difference between image and shadow? That we will discuss in this topic. This is an object and its image is formed in this mirror. This is its image. Here this one is the object and this one is a image. The image look like in the same way as the object. What is the color, shape, what all physical characteristics are there for the image, that will be there in the image itself. That will be there in the image also. Okay. If the object is red in color, then the image is also red in color. Is it? So this one is the object and this one is its image. So image means it's a visual representation of an object. Then we will discuss what's the difference between image and shadow. So shadow is always dark in color. It's always dark in color and it is formed when an opaque object is placed in the path of the light and the path of the light is blocked. Then you will get an shadow on the screen or on the wall or on the ground. That is always dark in color and it will not show any details of the object. Just it's a dark outline of the object. The shadow will give a dark outline of the object. It will not show any details of the object. Then with hands you can make butterfly. Actually butterfly is not there. But with the help of hands, we can make a butterfly, fish, all those things we can make with the help of hands. So sometimes that may lead to false information also, because the shadow will not give any details of the object. Then a shadow is formed when the path of the light is blocked by an opaque object. That leads to the formation of a shadow. And three things we need for the formation of a shadow, or three conditions are there. First one, there should be a light source. Second one, there should be an opaque object. Third one, there should be a screen on which the shadow can be seen. So the shadow is just a dark outline of an object. It does not give any details of the object. Then a shadow is formed when the path of the light is blocked by an object. Now image. Actually an image is formed when light from an object after reflection reaches our eyes. When light from an object after reflection reaches our eyes, then we will see that object or that image. An image will be formed when light from the object after reflection reaches our eyes. Actually that image will be formed in our eyes. On the screen called retina, an image will be formed on the retina and the brain will analyze it and we will see that object. So light from an object reaches our eyes, that reflected light reaches our eyes, and an image will be formed on the retina. Here the retina will act as the screen and the brain will analyze it and you will see that object. Now here the image is of the same color as that of the object. The image will be of the same color as that of the object. Here it is a red pen. If you form an image with the help of a mirror or plain mirror, its image will be also red in color. Now if this one is an opaque object. So when light falls on this opaque object, definitely you will get a shadow. The color of the shadow will be dark one. The color of the shadow will be dark one. Suppose if you are using a black t-shirt, red t-shirt, yellow t-shirt or a green t-shirt or any color, its shadow will be always dark. Its shadow will be always dark. But the image formed by the plane mirror will be as the same as that of the object. If the object is red in color, its image is also red in color. If the object is purple in color, its image will be also purple in color. That is this one. Image is of the same color as the object. Now, the image give all the details of the object. The image give all the details of the object. Image undergoes lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means right to left reversal between the object and its image. That is known as lateral inversion. Okay. So, image undergoes lateral inversion. Suppose you are standing in front of a mirror. You will raise your left hand. On the mirror you can see your image and the image will raise its right hand. So, left-right reversal will be there. Okay. That is known as lateral inversion between the object and its mirror image. That is known as lateral inversion. So, shadow will be always dark in color, or it will just give an outline of the object. It will not give any details of the object. Whatever be the color of the object, its shadow will be dark in color. Its shadow will be dark in color. So, a shadow is formed when the path of the light is blocked by an opaque object. Image is formed when light from that object after reflection reaches our eyes. The image is of the same color as that of the object. If you are having a red pen, its image will be also red in color. If you are having a green pen, its image will be also green in color, and it will give all the details of this object. Then it undergoes lateral inversion. That means left-right reversal of the object and its image. Now, where the shadow will be formed? A shadow will be formed on the opposite side of the source of light. A shadow will be formed on the opposite side of the source of the light, behind the opaque object. Behind the opaque object. Suppose a question is there. In a cloth line, 3 t-shirts are there, red, green and yellow. What will be the color of the shadow formed by these 3 t-shirts? What will be the color of the shadow? The shadow will be always dark in color. Okay? Thank you.